Hey guys, so today I want to show you one of the first toolkits I've ever owned when I got in the automotive or heavy equipment industry. Now, this toolkit's been around probably since I was 17, 18 years old. I'm 31 now and it's still going strong. Like, I've used this kit a lot. Outside in the rain, in the snow, in the heat, like everywhere. In the shop, like commercially, at like just everywhere. Had it in the four wheeler, had it banging around in the back of a pickup truck. Like, I've had it, and it works. Now this kit here is made by Fuller. I don't know if they still make tools or not, but man, I am impressed. Like, I cannot get enough of these guys. Like, I love the ratchets. The wrenches are a little bit cheap, but I mean the sockets are strong and the ratchets are strong. Like, I've put extendo bars on the 1/2 inch and 3/8 drive ratchet and the gears are still great. I've never had to replace one. And I think this kit comes from Walmart or Sears or somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. Like, I got it as a gift years ago, and like, I've never broken a gear, and I've never had an issue with the ratchets. And like, I break more snap-on and Mac tool ratchets and like other brand ratchets, and this is the El Cheapo ratchet, which I find is the best, and I've never had an issue. Now that I say that, I'll probably have issues, but we'll see. So far, knock on wood, that it's working and I enjoy it. Anyways, it's missing a few pieces in it. Just over the years, you know, you lose a couple pieces, you replace a couple pieces, that or you take that one socket you like and you put it somewhere else where you're going to put it to more use. So it's missing a couple pieces. I'm going to go through my kit. Alright, so this is my Fuller kit. I absolutely love these ratchets. This is the 1/2 inch drive. I like the way it kind of acts like a snap-on, or I think Mac's like that too, but back and forth, slides nice and easy. It's not a fine tooth, but it works pretty good. There's a release button, so your sockets stay locked on. You release it. I took my 3/8 drive to work because that's how much I like it. I left my 1/2 inch, my quarter here, and then I just more or less use adapters. But I also have a 3/8 flex head, cheap one from PA that I use instead of this one here. I like this one so much that I took it to work and I use it every day at work. It's one of my go-to tools. I also for a Fuller ratchet, I really enjoy this ratchet. I have a snap-on I have two snap-on 3/8 drives ratchet, and I usually pick up the Fuller one before the snap-on. But I also like my snap-on flex head, so I mean it's a 50-50 draw. So, but here's my 1/4 inch, same idea. Forward and backwards. A little bit more finer tooth, but it's still fairly coarse. Works pretty good. I have no complaints on it. I really enjoy this ratchet. It's great for home use. I've used it in the industry for probably about 7 or 8 years, and then I brought it home and replaced it with a snap-on 1/4 inch. I don't do a lot of 1/4 inch stuff, and when I do, I found this was a little bit aggressive for the 1/4 inch, and I replaced it with a finer tooth, and I got a short and long 1/4 in snap-on, which replaced it. Wrenches are pretty good. I don't have too many complaints. I mean, they're not really high-end quality. They're not overly long. Like, they do fit in my hand, as you can see. But pretty much all the small basic sizes that you'll need to start out is right there. Then anything that you don't have in wrenches, you got in sockets. So it goes up, I believe, to 3/4 or 21 mil. Yeah, there's 3/4, 7/8, 21 mil. So that's the biggest the sockets go here in this kit. I had a 5/8 spark plug socket and a 13/16 spark plug socket, but I took them to work. I replaced my 10 and 9 mil with these power fists because you know how that is with a guy, right? All your mechanics are always looking for their 10 mil. If they're not looking for their wife, they're looking for their 10 mil. Well, I was looking for my 10 mil that day. Anyways, I had a cheap power fist kit that I had, so that's where that is. And I'm some sad that I lost one of my fuller sockets. But life goes on, can't live in sorrow, and gotta keep wrenching. Anyways, this is my fuller kit. It's a nice little carrying case. Whoops. I didn't buckle that back in, did I? Hard to do everything with one hand. I'm going to set you down for a second. There, she's all snapped in, needed 2 thumbs. Alright, so that's my fuller kit. Hope you like my little walkthrough on my fuller kit. If you want to see some more tool reviews, like my channel, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Don't be shy to check out my other videos. Thanks.